The Sony 16-35 PZ lens might be my favorite mid-range zoom lens for Sony. And accommodating it into a DLM system is very simple considering you only have one gear sleeve to work with. So in order to install this, all you need to do is get a corresponding DLM Sony housing, take the body cap off, take the gear sleeve, put the gear sleeve with the front facing away from the camera body, and it's got a friction fit around the zoom ring of the lens. Now push it all the way to the end, gently. Take the rear body cap off. Just like you would normally, align the two white dots. Bayonet it onto your system. Slide that gear sleeve down into the port opening. Remove the lens cap. Taking the zoom dome port, make sure that all three thumb screws are removed and out of the sealing surface area. Use a little bit of Ike-Lite lubricant. Run it around the DLM port O-ring. Check for debris or hair and apply a little bit of the lube to reduce friction. Do the same thing to the sealing surface of the dome port. Take your drive gear and align it what will be on your left when you use the system. Drop it over top like so, and you're going to want to gently rock it down onto the housing, and you're going to want to make sure that your drive gear is meshing with the gear sleeve. Make sure that you're even all the way around, and then simply thumb tighten all three of these set screws. No need to use a tool. The seal occurred when we put those two pieces together. This just keeps them from being pulled apart. And that is all you need to do for the 16-35 PZ.